Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Richer Cut Professional. We'll start something with simplest concept with something like a 90-degree haircut and each and every hair strands with together in similarly in bottom layer haircut only we can just going to be seeing this haircut. So in this layer cut we can just see the simple three sections will be there and side by side and the fringe corner and the back portion will be all together will be finishing out in this haircut section, and with the back portion you can just see the section by section parallelly will be just take, and just when we will come to the side portion vertically we can just take as sections. Let's get started to complete up the haircut tutorial. Let's dive into the haircut now. I took with complete up the both the side sections and back portion. I'm just going to be separating that and just explaining with the help of the comb as well. And the back you can just see in parallel mix. And after that I just going to be start with the one leg basic. After one length we're just going to start with the layering top of that, which is called 90-degree layers. With all hair we can just bringing with exactly occipital point to that crown portion between the bringing up to the gripping the sections. With all the hair in one position 90-degree we can just cutting it like a layering technique, which you can just think like multi layers as well, and feather combination also you can just make in these two haircut sectionings. So one leg basic is got it done. Now we get started center profile uptick. Exactly 90-degree I'm just picking out for the overall the layer in the crown portions to the bottom nape area. One place and just giving to the 90-degree layer. At the same guideline distributing with both the side. Section we just picked and giving with exactly following the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair merging in as layers. So this is one of the simplest techniques with 90-degree multi-layer. You can just give it without collapsing the length and giving a lot more volume and movements you can the layers image you can just say. And this haircut it will be probably suitable something silky straight hair and a little bit of thin hair and kind of wavy hair could be fine, but ensure whenever you go to the curly hair it will be going to collapse a lot more length. So I suggest to refuse to do in curly hair this haircut, so that can be makes completely collapse in the length or not. So it's according to the length we can just adding with the refreshing layers which can be needed, something which can visible something like fresh refreshment, and top of that it will be flexible layers can be seen for it. That is a concept we can just choose this haircut for. She's already done some layers and she existing part she wants to refreshing and recreate the layers which can visible fresh look. So one side is got finished when just cross checking. Come to another side, the same stationary guideline. Section going to be finished. Then I come to side portion. Pick from stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair vertically, just pick as sections and adding the layers. The last section got finished. And I come to another side. Finishing with stitch after something trimming like bottom basic hairline. After that I pick from stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair merging in as layers. The last section going to be finished. After that I come to fringe portion, and before that I'm just adding some feather movement. Here is something visible, some like front frames and feather layers kind of in trend she was expected. Hair can be covered up something, it will look clean and neat in from front face. So that's why just half of the hair I just took as half of the feather. Then I come to another side. Finally come to fringe portion. That sting we just taking as forward, which can be provide something clean finishing look. For that we are taking as a guideline and just giving with layers fringes, layer fringes. So that's be sliding up with each and every portions which is according to the previous guideline, help up through. After that we just come with same like spiral blow dry with final finishing. Finish on the side too. Now I come to side portion. Now I come to another side. come to finally the crown portion. Crown section will be going to finish very soon. There I just took some like fringe final finishing. So finally this is the complete of final look. This is complete of the layer technique with uniform, which can be provide multi layers and 90-degree haircut. So hope you all are understand and enjoyed to the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be keep updating such videos. For more update and notifications purpose, you can bell icon. So there you can just get each and every updated notifications. So this is complete of the after layering final look. You can just see from the front it will be a lot of changes. You can just see in the bottoms to the top, and which can be visible completely neat finishing layers. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.